Now, left missile gone, fired. Missile fired. Wow. Oh, wow.
Indian Light Combat Aircraft (LCA) is the smallest and the lightest multi-role supersonic fighter aircraft of its class. Single engine, compound delta wing, tailless aircraft designed and developed by ADA to meet diverse requirements of Indian Air Force and Navy. Tejas is an amalgamation of contemporary concepts and technologies. Statically stable, relaxed stability, so that it's more agile, fly-by-wire flight control, advanced glass cockpit, integrated digital avionics systems and advanced composite materials airframe makes it a unique aircraft of its class. Nucleus of Tejas aircraft is the Aeronautical Development Agency ADA. Its principal partner is the HAL. Jointly, these two agencies along with the various DRDO labs and CSIR laboratories, DGAQA, BEL, CEMILAC have joined together along with a large number of private and public undertakings, several academic institutions to bring out a state-of-art aircraft. We have completed the initial operational clearance after flying 2,450 sorties, and the further tests will continue to meet the final operational clearance by end 2014. As other variants, a two-seater LCA trainer and LCA Navy, both of which are also coming up. LCA Navy has also started flying and will be capable of taking off from a ski jump from the aircraft carriers, which the Indian Navy has already acquired. Naval version has made its maiden flight on 27th April 2012 and is presently continuing with the second phase of flight testing. The IOC of Tejas is a major milestone in the Indian aviation history and for the Indian defense, because this is the first truly indigenously designed ultra modern aircraft of 4+ generation. We have also started work on further advanced versions like advanced medium combat aircraft, the unmanned aerial vehicles and other variations for Mark II for the Air Force. We are confident that LCA Tejas and its variants will be an integral part of the Indian Armed Forces, Indian defense for a long many decades to come.